Now let's move into the next step for building our website for John's professional cleaning service. So we have a header, we have our services section about the company, we have a call to action, and why choose us. So we have all the good elements of a good website. So we can let people know who we are with this. So now what we want to do is add a few more features to it before we come to a close in completing the website. As you can see so far, building the website is very, very simple and easy as long as you understand and know the basic foundation and how to utilize the tools within the web builder itself. So let's now add a couple of more items. The first thing we're going to add is a section for reviews. So we're going to hover over content block. We're going to look for our blue line and the plus sign. We're going to select it. And when we select it, we're going to come down to the item for the content blocks for testimonials. And then we're going to scroll down to the types of testimonials we want. So I'm going to select this block here. And I'm going to just simply add right here reviews from our clients. Okay. Let's spell reviews correct. All right. So we've added that. Then the only thing we need to do is get those reviews from our clients. So as you can see now, we've already added a new section for reviews. But what I want to do is make this look a little bit more complete with our current style of the website. So we're going to take all of this and we're going to change our text to white. So I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to go to the text editor. Then I'm going to click on the white color picker. And then we just turned that content into white. And that's because we're going to change our background to black. So if we remember from our previous trainings, what we did was go to the gear on the corner of the content block. We're going to select it. Then we're going to go to the block background. We're going to choose the color. Once we choose the color, we're going to select black. And now we're going to hit save. So now we have a review section, but I'm going to dial this up a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is add a little color to this. So I'm going to go back to the block sections, and I'm going to go to the block decorator. And what I'm going to do is go to the header divider, and I'm going to look for a gradient, and I'm going to make the gradient gold. Choose the color, and we're going to make it gold. So now we have a little bit color where our reviews are. And then I'm going to double click in where the subtitle is. And we're going to highlight that, select all, and we're going to turn that into white as well. So now we have a reviews section on our website. The next section that we're going to add some team members. So we're going to go back to the content block. And this time we're going to select teams. And we're going to choose the team block that we want. So you can use teams for your staff. You can use teams for your executive members. No matter what you want to use, you can use teams for that. So I'm going to just choose a block. And now we have our team members in here as well. I'm going to change the background color to white, so we have some consistency. So now look what we have. We have our header, our services, about our company, our call to action, why choose the company, some reviews, and meet our staff. Let's change this to meet our staff. As you can see, building a website is very, very simple and easy with Easy Make Web Builder. As I always say, you don't have to be a superhero to build a phenomenal website. You just need super resources to get it done. And with the Easy Make Web Builder, you have the right resource for you to build a professional website for your business, or for anyone's business for that matter. Now, the last thing that we're going to do, I'm going to cover in the next training. we're going to connect all of these pages together. So, but before I do that, let me go back and make sure that in here I've added the names to our block. So let's go to the reviews block, and I'm going to add this as reviews. I'm going to come down to where the hashtag is, to the very bottom, and we're going to name this reviews. And the reason that we're doing this is because when we go and set up our navigation bar, which is the menu bar at the top, we're going to be able to anchor our navigation down to the boxes that we want. So let me check the why us. I believe we've already done that in the last training. So let's go check it. Actually, we did not. So let's go ahead and add the why us on here as well. And save changes. Let's do the call to action, which is a contact block. So we're going to change that as well. So I'm going to call it contact block. We probably won't use this. Let's call it call to action. We probably won't use this, but just in case. Call to action. Okay. And then we're going to go down to our meet our staff. Meet our staff. So let's go down and change this out as well to meet staff. Now we've named all of our content blocks. So in the next training, what we're going to do, we're going to go through setting up our menu navigation so that when a user comes to our website, they can navigate to different sections inside of our website.